Unable to pair smartphone after H820 updating. First, you will need to remove the connection between your H and Garmin Connect Mobile. Open Garmin Connect Mobile app on your smartphone. Open the menu. Android, select the menu button at the upper left. iOS, select More at the lower right corner. Select Garmin devices. Select H820. Select button at the upper right corner. Select Remove device. Select Remove. If there is attention required display on your Garmin Connect Mobile, please close your app and skip the step to the next one. If you are an iOS user, you will need to remove your H from the Bluetooth settings in your smartphone. Android users can skip this step. From the phone, select Settings. Select Bluetooth. Under My Devices, you will see BT-H820 and the H820. Select the eye icon and then select Forget this device for both. Then you can pair the H back to the Garmin Connect app from the phone. Open the Garmin Connect app. Open the menu. Android, select the menu button at the upper left. iOS, select More at the lower right corner. Select Garmin devices. Select the option to add device. Select Browse all compatible devices. Select H. Now we need to put the H820 in Bluetooth pairing mode. From the H820, select the main menu button at the lower left corner. Select Settings. Select Phone. Select Pair Smartphone. Note, if you only see smartphone, select it and then select the option to forget phone. You will now see the option to pair smartphone. Select H820 from your phone and tap Start. Follow the on-screen instructions between the H820 and the Garmin Connect app to complete the pairing process. For more details on pairing, please check the H series pairing videos. For the videos link, please see the description below and use the first method in the video to pair the device. Do not pair with the second method in the video. It might cause the connection problem happen again. Thanks for watching.